So what's up guys, this is Dan. I'm in Shanghai, China right now. I'm gonna show you one of my favorite street food, grilled lamb. This place is literally a hole in the wall. It's just sandwiched between two stores, and it's run by people from Xinjiang, and they are well known for their skills in cooking lamb. And so let's go check it out. You can see the whole lamb just right outside the store, and I think it's never frozen. It's fresh every day. So I think they have 1, 2, 3 lambs. That's what I'm gonna use for today. Alright, we got our first lamb skewer, and you can see it has nice char on it. It's grilled over charcoal. You can see the lean meat and then fat and then lean. So let's take a bite. It's gonna be flavorful. Man, that's capitally delicious. You can taste the texture of the lamb is tender, but it still has the meat texture, and when you bite into it with the fat that just bursts in your mouth, and also you get the charcoal flavor that's unique, something unique about grilled over charcoal. Little char with the right amount of cumin, salt, and hot pepper. Amazing. Alright, the lamb was amazing. The lamb skewer, lamb meat, but it was just too normal. We're gonna try the lamb kidney next. Alright guys, this is the lamb kidney. I had never tried this. Let's look at this. This is the whole kidney of a baby lamb, grilled over charcoal. This is my first bite. Wow, it's really good. It's not what I was expecting. I was expecting something a little chewy or bouncy in texture, but it's incredibly soft and tender. You can see my bite. You can see the bite I bite into. You bite into it. It has a little bit of the organic flavor and right amount of salt, and it kind of just melts in your mouth. It's really good. You don't get, sometimes with this part of the animal, you get sort of a strange odor, or like the peen smell or peen odor. You don't get that at all. It's very clean. It tastes extremely well. I'm gonna go for another bite. You just want to smile after you take a bite of this. Wow, this is really good. Never expect this to be this good. Can I give you a thumbs up? Amazing. So this is the lamb rib grilled over charcoal. You can see there's a layer of char on the outside with some cumin, salt, and hot pepper flakes. It looks delicious. Alright, so here is the ribs. It just looks amazing. And you get the smell, it's really fragrant. You get a smell of the cumin seasoning and also the charcoal grilled flavors. All right, now in for my first bite. So this definitely tastes different than the lamb skewer. The texture, you get more of a meaty texture with little layer of fat between the bone and the lean meat. It's still tender, but you get more of a little bit chewy texture. It's still soft, but it's still soft and tender. It's a little hard to eat a rib on a skewer. I probably should use my hand. Alright, let me try to see if I can use my hand for this. Here is the last bone. I mean, good time just passed so fast. Alright, let's give it a try. So something about holding a bone and eat it, it just tastes better compared to when it was on a skewer. I don't know. I mean, I'll recommend you next time, take the bone off, just hold on to the bone directly and bite into it. Okay guys, so that was one of my favorite lamb skewer plates. So I tried the lamb skewer, the lamb rib, and also the lamb kidney. I never tried the lamb kidney, but it was amazingly delicious. The lamb skewer is good as always. The lamb rib, however, compared to the three, is, you know, probably I will rank it number 3. It's still pretty good, but it's just not as good as the other two. So if you get a chance to see any Xinjiang Uyghur people grilling lambs, definitely try the lamb skewer and the lamb kidney if you are feeling adventurous. Alright guys, that's it for today. If you like my video, please click the subscribe button. And thank you for watching. Hope to see you next time.